Big question, mainly for people who are just starting out. Do I need an agency website? Is it important? Will it make a difference when I go cold outreaching models? Will me not having a website or me having a website be the difference? Well, I'll tell you an argument for both sides, all right? Now, I got trusty notes with me because I've recorded a bunch of these videos in the same day so I can schedule some YouTube videos. And after a while, your brain just becomes a mush. So do I need an agency website? Now, when you're starting out, you want to minimize the overhead costs before making money. What does minimize overhead costs mean? It means don't make a website. Just social proof your Insta. Do not create unless you're using a custom domain. So if you do decide to make an agency website, please, for the love of God, make sure you have a custom domain. I don't want to see Jimmy's agency .website. Oh, forget about it. You'd do better if you didn't even have that. If you do decide to create a website, make sure you have a custom domain name. First and foremost. Now, my argument for not having a website is this. Instead, put all that effort into social proofing your Instagram account, mainly your personal Instagram account. I go over that in another video as to why. But instead of getting all fancy schmancy and creating an agency website and oh, look so professional, look at me. Put all that effort into social proofing your Insta. It's the numbers game. You're gonna need to cold outreach a shitload of girls, and how many of them do you reckon is actually going to check out your agency website? No, they're going to click on your Insta. And then maybe if they're very bored, they will click on the link in your Instagram bio and check out your website. But mainly they're just going to check out your Insta, check out the highlights, see if you got screenshots, see if you know what you're doing. That's when you're starting out your new agency, all right? My argument for not having a website only applies to if you're just starting out. But when you're scaling, you're going to want a website because then you're going to want to look pro. If you're managing more than one model, you're gonna wanna look pro. And you're gonna have some material there to use as well. You're gonna have some screenshots. You're gonna have some testimonials. So create a website because then it's time to think bigger. What you can also do when you have this website, once you're scaling, is you can integrate a model application form into the website. It's what I did. So this mainly works if you are putting out content. So say if you have an agency Insta or a YouTube channel. You don't have to have a YouTube channel. If you have any kind of social media platform, any kind of social media account where you're putting out value, then you will benefit from integrating a model application form into your website because girls can come across this social media account, social media profile, see this value you're putting out, and they're gonna think, they know their shit. Oh yeah, might as well. You know what? I wouldn't mind actually. I wonder if they have any openings. I reckon they'll do a good job if they manage me. Because you're putting out this value. It's saying that you know your shit. I say we, because you know, it's an agency, you wanna make out you're bigger than what you are when you're starting out. So you wanna make out that you know your shit, or at least show that you know your shit. And then by doing that, models are going to feel secure with going with you. They're gonna be like, he knows his shit. Oh, look, he's got highlights. He's got earnings revenue screenshots in the highlight reels. Oh, there's his website. Fuck yeah, I'll apply. That's what I ended up doing. When I decided to create a YouTube channel, I thought, you know what, I've put a multiplication form down the bottom and then I'm putting out value and models will see I know what I'm talking about and then they can apply via link below. But comes a time where I'm working at capacity now. So the link is below, but I'm at capacity now because it worked too well apparently. But anyway, so the website gives social proof to growing an OFM agency and it's more or less just used for recruiting and social proof really. That's all the website's for, unless you're selling something on it. A course, I actually see a lot of people, they'll go to start an agency and then they'll go, oh, it's a bit fucking hard. Oh, you know what, Will? You know I can make money? I can sell a course, make a YouTube channel and talk shit and then people buy my course. But yeah, I'm just rambling on now. So my point is, don't buy or set up a website for your agency if you're just starting out. Put that effort into social proof in your Insta because that's all the girls are gonna check. And then when you start scaling, then build out the website and then integrate a model application form into that website because then you can make your onboarding process a lot easier whilst using that website. So you can use it for recruiting and social proof, all right? So that's it. Now, if you like the videos, go smash like button, smash subscribe button. And if you like the sauce and you want more and you want methods, tools, templates, whatever, join my Discord via the link below and I'll see you in there.